welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus as it is the 27th of March 2023. I'm Nikki Oshini and these are the headlines. Arbitrum Airdrop hype gets crypto experts talking. Binance launches new regional hub in Georgia. Terra Co-founder is next following Do Kwon arrest. First citizens to acquire Silicon Valley Bank. Nasdaq to launch crypto custody services. G7 to collaborate on tighter crypto regulation. Titanium blockchain CEO sentenced to prison. Events packed for the month of March and more to come. On the market rates today, Bitcoin is at $27,000, Ethereum is at $1,700, BNB is at $308, Solana is at $19, and the dollar to naira rate at 743. Now let's get you updated on the crypto weekly news. First up, on the latest trends to capture the attention of the crypto community is the Arbitrum Airdrop, which has caused quite a buzz in the DeFi world. Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that promises to make the network faster and more efficient. The DeFi world has been buzzing since the start of the Arbitrum Airdrop in March 2023. This airdrop is one of the largest in the DeFi space, with over 1 billion tokens being airdropped to more than 600,000 wallet addresses. Each eligible participant is entitled to a minimum of 625 tokens, while the maximum entitlement is 10,250 tokens. With the prospect of receiving free tokens, many DeFi enthusiasts are eager to participate in the airdrop. According to Arbitrum, the airdrop is an official move into a decentralized autonomous organization DAO. ARB holders will have the opportunity to vote on critical decisions that impacts the Arbitrum One and Arbitrum Nova networks. The move is expected to enhance the decentralization of the network and improve its governance. Despite the excitement surrounding the Arbitrum airdrop, some experts remain cautious about its long-term potential. The project is still on its early stages, and it is unclear whether it can fulfill its promises of scalability, speed, and security. In an interview with Linda Obi, global head of operations Zenith Chain, here's what she had to say about the airdrop.
So let's talk about making money in the crypto industry with zero capital. I'm sure a lot of our viewers would like to know that. How is that possible in the long run, and how sustainable and dependable will that stream of income be?
So I think airdrops, would be, the first, most fastest means of making money. But beyond that, I do not advise that you just jump in and trade just because you've, gotten some airdrop allocated to you. You really want to understand the space that you're in if you're ever going to make it in crypto, right? Even the degens, they try to understand, the space. So understand the space. You've made your first few airdrops. You want to now, begin to make active trade transactions. Do your research. Really make sure you do your research, and then we're still early. Nobody knows it though. All these crypto OGs that we find here and there.
Next up, cryptocurrency exchange Binance continues expanding its global reach by setting up a new blockchain hub in crypto-friendly Georgia. On March 26th, Binance announced the opening of its brand new blockchain hub in Georgia, aiming to promote further adoption of crypto in the country. Referring to the hub as a web outpost, Binance intends to attract talent to the Georgian blockchain sector, promote industry education, and create more job opportunities. Binance Regional Director Valdemir Smirkis said that Georgia is one of the most innovative countries in the region as it is a serious leader in terms of the level of crypto adoption. He estimated Georgia's current level of crypto adoption at 8 out of 10, noting that there are no serious challenges for further adoption. Moving on, following Terraform Labs co-founder Do Kwon's arrest in Montenegro, while trying to board a plane using fake documents, South Korean authorities have turned up efforts to track down and arrest Shin Young-song, also known as Daniel Shin, Terra's other co-founder. Since November 2022, South Korean authorities have suspected the involvement of numerous Terra colleagues in helping Do Kwon promote unstable and uncertain investment opportunities with Terra Luna and Terra USD UST tokens. Authorities have previously alleged that Shin earned roughly $105 million in profits from illegal sales of Luna tokens before Terra's collapse. On the other hand, Shin claims to have had no involvement in Terra after January 2020. Also, Nasdaq plans to capitalize on the growing demand for crypto-related services and help drive further innovation in the space. The news came amid endless turbulence and increased regulatory pressure. The launch is expected to occur by the end of June this year. In September 2022, Nasdaq announced the establishment of Nasdaq Digital Assets, a division dedicated to offering crypto custody services. Speaking on the matter, Ira Erbach, Senior Vice President and Head of Nasdaq Digital Assets, said that the New York-based stock exchange has been developing an advanced custody solution for digital assets. At the same time, Nasdaq has applied to provide digital assets custody services. The services were currently awaiting approval from the New York Department of Financial Services. Initially, Bitcoin and Ethereum custody will be the key focuses. The exchange also targets to provide crypto services for financial institutions as well. Meanwhile, North Carolina-based First Citizens Bank is set to acquire all deposits and loans of Silicon Valley Bank. Under the March 26th purchase and assumption agreement, 17 former branches of Silicon Valley Bank will open as First Citizens Bank and Trust Company on Monday, the 27th of March, and all Silicon Valley Bank depositors will automatically become depositors of First Citizens Bank. Today's transaction included the purchase of about $72 billion of Silicon Valley Bridge Bank, National Association's assets at a discount of $16.5 billion. The FDIC said in a statement. More interesting news as the next G7 meeting might bring a push from the 7 biggest democracies for tougher regulations on cryptocurrencies around the world. Together, leaders from Japan, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, France, Germany, and the European Union will outline a cooperative strategy to increase crypto transparency and enhance customer protections, as well as address potential risks to the global financial system, officials reported earlier. This year's summit is set to happen in Hiroshima in May. Among the G7 members, Japan already regulates cryptocurrencies, while the European Union's markets in crypto assets MiCA regulation is set to go into effect in 2024. The United Kingdom is gradually developing its crypto framework with a special category for crypto assets on tax forms recently introduced and plans for a digital pound in the works. To close up the news today, the founder and chief executive of Titanium Blockchain Infrastructure Services, TBIS, received a prison sentence of 4 years and 3 months for defrauding initial coin offering ICO investors of $21 million. The sentencing came after Titanium Blockchain CEO Michael Allen Stollery pled guilty to the 1 count of securities fraud last year. The maximum sentencing for that charge is up to 20 years, but Stollery only received a third of it. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) acted on Titanium ICO before criminal charges were brought against Stollery. The regulator stopped the ICO in May 2018 after it defrauded ICO investors in the U.S. and abroad. Finally, on blockchain events in the month of March, WOW Summit in Hong Kong. World of Web3 Summit will be held from the 29th to the 30th of March 2023 at the Asia World Expo, Hong Kong. The summit aims to become a platform bringing together global leaders in the NFT and DeFi sectors with major businesses, government agencies, investors, prospective specialists, and developers. And that's it for the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website, cryptotvplus.com. Also follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter at CryptoTVPlus, and on Instagram at Official CryptoTVPlus to get daily info on our programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well. And just in case you have questions regarding any of our news at all, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'm Nikki Oshini, and I'll see you next time.